everyone, this is Rocky from RMS Vocal Institute, and today I'm going to recreate one of our most popular videos, which was the 4 steps of the fry. So today I'm going to talk about the first 2 steps, which was the sound and consistency. As you know or you don't know, the fry happens on the 2 vocal cords. Yes. So first of all, you need to master the basic fry sound, which is this. Make sure you're not using your vocal fry. The vocal fry is this. That feels down here. To be able to work on your fry as a scream, you need to put the vocal fry into the falsetto's register. So where the falsetto is, it's here, it's in the nasal cavity, it resonates in the nasal cavity. And when you use your falsetto, when you use your breathy falsetto, basically the 2 vocal cords are not completely closed, very breathy sound. And same thing what happens when you use your fry. Not vocal fry, the fry. Because when you use the fry, just the vocal cords also not completely closed. So once you know how to use your falsetto, you will have a clear idea how to use your fry and what kind of balance, what kind of power you would need in order to create a basic sound of the fry, basic fry sound. Like this, again. If you don't know what's the difference between vocal fry and fry, or how to put the vocal fry into the falsetto, please go and check our video when I'm actually talking about the difference between vocal fry and fry. So that is the basic sound. You need to be quiet. You need to be very, very relaxed. And that's the biggest challenge still for many people, because they just can't put together this really hard sound with the fact that you really don't need any kind of force or push or physical aggressivity. No, that's what you need. God, really, I'm tired of this. That's what you need. That's what you need, and that's the sound you need to work on. And then second step is consistency. So basically you need to be able to hold this sound throughout your whole range, from the lowest to the highest. And that's the good thing with the fry. There is no limit. You can go really, really, really low, and you can go very, 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 very high with the fry. So work on the sound, be very quiet, be very relaxed. If it's too clean, if it's like this, it's way too much power, way too much vocal pressure, way too much. So you need to go as quiet as possible. There is a reason why you need to have a clear mind and being in a very peace state of mind before you go to work on your fry. If you are very angry, if you are very frustrated, you're not going to be able to learn the fry. So again, basic fry sound. And be able to go from the lowest to the highest. Okay, so that's the first 2 steps of the fry. And if you want to know what's happening in the next video, where we are talking about the power and the volume, then please subscribe. Alright, if you have any question, please post below the video or go to rmsvocalinstitute.com and see what we can do for you. Thank you very much.